So one of the big things about this lake that we're looking into are the different types of structure. And what we're talking about there is artificial structure, things that you can buy online and from different manufacturers. This is usually something made out of plastic and it'll last forever. And there's pros and cons to both that and the natural structures. With the artificial, they're there forever. You put them in, they'll hold fish and you never have to do it again. However, if you've got a large pond, it can get very expensive to get enough structure in there to get them out. Also, you don't hang up on artificial structures. You're going to see a bunch of cedar trees in this lake, and that thing will steal a rattle trap faster than you can imagine. So there's a bunch of pros and cons with the natural structure. And in Alabama and Texas, cedar trees are the best. They're everywhere, they're easy to handle, and they hold a lot of fish. And the great thing about those is that they've got all these tiny little branches on there, and it really lets your small bluegill get in there and hide. And that's the key. Everybody likes to talk about structure, and they're usually thinking about big bass structure, whether it's a big stump, whether it's culverts, road beds, all those different things. That's what they're thinking about. But bluegill structure is as important, or maybe even more important than bass structure, because you've got to have places for your bluegill reproduction to hide and get bigger and grow bigger bass.